We installed this gutter guard about 6 months ago, right before the early spring happened, and we're standing right underneath a massive maple tree, one that has those little spinning helicopters, and these gutter guards performed exceptionally well at that time. But now we're gonna take the cover off of the gutter guards and see and make sure that there's actually no debris in there. So let's check this out real quick. That's good? Okay. That wasn't supposed to happen. All right, moment of truth. Pretty clear. How about that? Well, G3 gutter guards doing their job. Got a little bit of grime in there, but all in all, zero debris. So, G3 gutter guards, may want to check it out.